In the last video, we have written a simple program to print my name. And as a next step, I want to explain what we have done here on this line. So to do that, I can show you a diagram. So what I have here is an expression that we have written to create a variable. So what is a variable? A variable is a reference that is used to store a value. So over here, we create a value, which in our case is a string literal. And then we assign this value by using this assignment operator to a variable which is called name. And then we have chosen to give an explicit type to our variable. So in this case, we use a string, which is just a type that we can use to store a sequence of characters. So once again, over here, we create a value which is a string literal, and we assign it to a variable called name, and this variable is of type string. And to complete our statement, we need to remember to put a semicolon at the end of the line. Now, this may seem like a simple expression, but it is a good example that shows us how we can declare and initialize a variable. So, what is the difference between a variable declaration and a variable initialization? Well, as the name says, a variable declaration is the process of defining a variable and giving it a name so that it can be used later. A variable initialization is the process of assigning an initial value to that variable. Okay, so let's get back to Dartpad and we can continue on the next video.